Are you looking for the best aux cables? Here we have picked the top 5 for this time. Let's explore them. Number 1. Most popular. Amazon Basics 3.5mm male-to-male stereo audio aux cable. If you're looking for an aux cable that offers value for the money, this may just be it. It lets you listen to music, audiobooks, or audio files all day. Use it to connect your phone to your car's stereo and enjoy your favorite music or audio files on the go. To get started, connect one end of the cable to the 3.5mm audio jack on your phone and the other end to the aux-in port in your speakers, headphones, car stereo, or audio output device. Number 2. Mediabridge 3.5mm male-to-male stereo audio cable. Mediabridge is a well-known company that produces reliable and high-quality cables. This particular model is highly popular because of the excellent sound quality and compatibility with different devices. You can plug it in all kinds of smartphones and MP3 players, even when they have different types of cases. Measuring 3.5mm, the cable is compatible with almost any device, including iPods, laptops, and earbuds. Once plugged in, it enables impressive audio output without any kind of noise and vibration. It features gold-plated plugs that are corrosion-resistant and very durable. Number 3. Startech Aux Cable. Startech offers an excellent combination of high sound quality and durability at a low price. You get to use the cable with iPods, MP3 players, and phones, without experiencing noises and other sound interferences when on the road. This is a 3.5mm aux cable that comes in different lengths, so you get to choose the one that suits you the most. All of them plug into the standard car jack and ensure you get an excellent music experience while driving. It comes with molded, gold-plated connectors. Number 4. Phosphor Audio Aux Cable. This cable features 24K gold-plated connectors to resist corrosion and reduce tarnish. The copper-braided and aluminum foil shielding provides cable flexibility and reduces undesired ME/RFI interference. Its polyethylene foam dielectric insulator minimizes signal loss, and the tin-plated copper core reduces oxidation and increases wire life. It's available in lengths ranging from 1 to 25 feet. The combination of foil and braided copper shielding helps prevent static and loss of signal, and it produces a nice, clean sound with excellent sound quality transfer. The cable is sturdy, thick, and well made. Number 5. iXCC 6 feet 3.5mm male-to-male universal aux cable. The cable features dual shielding connectors made from polished metal. They are gold-plated, very durable, and suitable for daily and heavy use. The tangle-free design also makes the cable quite convenient for transportation and storage. The cable measures 3.5mm, which means it plugs into all standard jacks. Even more important, it ensures you get clear and crisp sound at every listening, without signal loss or annoying noises. It also provides a secure and stable connection. It might not fit into small ports and will require some modifications.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.